This is an FNFAL. It might not appear as it does in Modern Warfare, but it's still the FAL. Anywho, this isn't exactly the best gun, but coupled with stopping power and FMJ, it can give you probably a one-shot kill if you try hard enough. And what's more is that I think it's probably the only gun that can actually have thermal scope on it, because it's a single shot. But what's worse is that some people use rapid fire controllers to make it to where this thing shoots like, I don't know, a Scar H. But overall, it's an okay gun, especially when it comes to accuracy. I think the only problem is the whole single fire thing. And then on top of that, it does pretty high damage. And with FMJ, it just increases the damage. So, and then on ACOG isn't exactly very useful on this, but it depends on how you roll. So if you have any responses to this, just post a video response or a comment. I prefer video responses. And thanks for your time. This has been LegoDude52 signing out.